It's not fair. It's not fair. Not fair. Not fair. Not fair. Not fair. Not fair. Not fair! Huh? Do you have any proof? Is the head bag on her head the proof? I was wrong. Wrong. No. That's not it at all. You're telling us to begin, but what are we supposed to do? Does that mean the killer painted them in advance? Hey. Video games are my hobby, and I'm a fan of all genres. Since I've been found out, I'll just confess. Hajime, you've had it wrong this whole time. No matter what kind of future it is, as long as you guys move towards it, I will never disappear. What the Isn't that why you... Is the head bag on her head? Since I've been found out, I'll just...